So it's officially been a year since I got my Ecoflow. Let's talk about it. Uno momento.
First things first, about size. It's about this big, okay? It's about this big, and it basically has a capacity of 768 watts and then an output of 800 watts. You get? So without going into the technicalities, should you get this? Short answer, yes, of course you should. I think it's a great value for money. Long answer, it depends on what your usage is. A couple of you guys in my comments have been asking me, can you power this, can you power that, right? The duration in which this can last is dependent on what you plug into it and the wattage. Do you understand? The lights that I'm currently using to shoot this video is about 30 watts. I know this because, again, the Ecoflow can measure the wattage of each device that you plug into it. So if my light is 30 watts, it gives me about 12 hours. It's also going to calculate and let you know. There's literally a little screen here that tells you how much is being consumed, what is being distributed, and how long it's going to last. And you could also track it on your phone. So it's a win-win situation. If I plug 3 items that are equally 30 watts, it's going to be like maybe 6 hours or less. So you need to keep that in mind when choosing the Ecoflow that you want. Another thing you guys need to understand is that the Ecoflow basically has different series. So you have the River series and then they have the Delta series. Delta series are, I would like to say, equivalent to inverters. Do you get? So if you want an inverter kind of setup, I would advise you go for the Delta series because it can take more. It has a much larger capacity, but it's not as portable. You can lug it around, but it's big. Long story short, it's big. If I find a picture, I'm going to leave it up here. It's bigger than the average River because there's a smaller River than this. I think it's just Ecoflow River. This is a River 2 Pro. Just in case you're wondering which one I got the River 2 Pro with a capacity of 768 watts and an output of 800 watts. It's there in the spec, so you can check it out. In a nutshell, I would say this is ideal for someone that's maybe just starting out, does not really have the funds to do like a proper inverter setup, but is looking for something portable that not only looks good but charges really fast. I'm telling you that in 70 minutes this is going from 0 to 100, and this has only died like twice, right? Because every time ADC decides to bless me with light is, let's say, long enough for an hour or two, and that's going to charge it fully. So even with terrible light situation, so long as you get at least maybe 2 hours of light, you could charge this twice. You get? Because this literally charges in 70 minutes. So imagine it didn't even die and they bring light, so it just charges again. Do you get what I mean? So if it's on 50, it will take maybe about 30 minutes or less to charge to 100. Here's to a year using my Ecoflow River 2